Welcome back to my channel. How to start Amazon FBA private label business. Starting an Amazon FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon, private label business can be a great way to enter the e-commerce market and build a profitable business. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Research. The first step in starting an Amazon FBA private label business is researching products that have a high demand and low competition. Use tools such as Jungle Scout, Helium 10, and Keepa to find products that meet your criteria. Look for products that have a potential for profit and can be easily private labeled. It's also important to research your target market and understand their needs and preferences. Sourcing. Once you have identified a product, find a supplier who can manufacture it. You can use websites like Alibaba and global sources to find manufacturers. Make sure to thoroughly research the supplier before placing an order to ensure they are reliable and have good reviews. It's important to communicate with the supplier and negotiate the best price and terms. Also, you might want to consider visiting the supplier in person if possible, to check the production process, meet the team, and make sure they are capable of producing the quality you need. Branding. Create a brand name and design a logo for your private label product. This is important as it will help you to stand out in the marketplace and build a loyal customer base. Your brand and logo should be consistent across all of your products and marketing materials. Also, you should consider getting a trademark for your brand name and logo to protect your brand. Product listing. Create a product listing on Amazon that includes high-quality images and a detailed product description. Make sure to use keywords in the title and bullet points to optimize your listing for search. Also, consider adding unique features, benefits, and use cases to your product listing to make it more compelling. Order and ship. Place an order with your supplier and have them ship the product directly to an Amazon fulfillment center. Amazon will then handle the storage, fulfillment, and customer service for your product. Make sure to provide